Hello class, my name is Thompson. I'm a trainer at Rubavu Technical College TVET, and today we are going to complete the second part of our module, which is called Install CCTV Cameras. And today's topic, we are going to see how to configure and to test a CCTV camera system. At the end of this session, each learner will be able to test and to configure CCTV camera system. And I'd like to invite everyone to take some notes and to keep doing practical exercise with me. Firstly, while we want to test and to configure a CCTV camera system, we have to connect it to the power supply. It means, firstly, you have to connect the UPS, which is used to help the system while there is a fail of power supply. As you can see at your own screen, you connect the UPS to the power source, and you connect the CCTV camera devices to the UPS in order to avoid any electrical disturbance, as you can see at your own screen. While you finish to connect different devices of a CCTV camera to the UPS, as you can see, the monitor is connected to the DVR. There are two ways in which you may use while connecting a monitor to the DVR. You may use a VGA cable, and also you may use an HDMI cable, as you can see at your own screen. And now on, you switch on the DVR, and then you switch on the monitor, and also you switch on the router. And I remind you that while you're doing a configuration of a CCTV camera, you do it according to the manufacturer instruction of that CCTV camera in which you are doing installation, as you can see at your own screen. It's better at the same time to check to the manufacturer instruction at the same time in order to accomplish the task to configure a CCTV camera professionally, as you can see at your own screen. And also, while you finish to switch on them, what you have to do is to go to the settings of this DVR in order to accomplish the task to configure this CCTV camera. And also, you have to check different channels if all cameras are responding correctly. As you can see at your own screen, there are three cameras which is responding to our monitor. One stands for channel 1, which is camera 1. Another one is channel 2, which is camera 2. Another one is channel 3, which is stand to the third camera, as you can see at your own screen. Through the setting of this DVR, you may put on the password for the user in order to protect the information covered by these CCTV cameras. And also, you may set as you wish different cameras accordingly, according to this manufacturer instruction, as I already told you. The purpose to connect the router to the DVR is to connect it to the internet. In order, when you want to check your CCTV cameras and you went away from it, you have to use your cell phone. While you finish to download the application which connects your phone to this DVR, by the use of the internet, you may check and follow up the movement going on while you went away from that control area. By the use of this DVR, you can check the recorded information by the use of this monitor and this DVR. You may do a backup, and also you may delete in order to create space to the disk of this DVR. You may set the schedule of recording accordingly by the use of these settings of this DVR. As I already told you, mostly you do it according to the manufacturer instruction. As you finish to configure different options of this DVR, you do what is called testing a CCTV camera. What you have to see is to check if all cameras are connected well. You check the first camera if it's responding accordingly, and the second camera if it's responding correctly. And also, you have to check the third camera if it's giving the required image. You may check if the received image is equal to the required one, as you can see at your own screen. As always, while you finish to test and you found out that the CCTV camera is responding correctly, it means the task to install indoor CCTV camera is accomplished. As we're learning together, I hope you take some notes and you keep doing a practical exercise with me as we're learning together. Thank you for your attention. This is the end of our module, which is called Install CCTV Camera. As we're running together, I hope you keep doing a practical exercise with me. See you next time. Enjoy.